the soda. Ruby boys, they know us. All fast money, no slow bucks.
Welcome back to a brand new video on Indigenous Network, and today in this video I'll show you how you can copy text from Instagram or YouTube. As you know, Instagram or YouTube doesn't provide you direct options to copy any text or captions from there, so you have to use a third-party app. Don't worry, the third-party app is absolutely safe. I've checked it myself. And so let's show you the Instagram interface before installing the app. So for example, if I want to copy this caption from YouTube, if you can see, even if I press and hold this part, I can't copy it. So basically they don't have any option to copy any text directly from Instagram or YouTube. So I'll show you an app. You can get it on Play Store. You can get it on Play Store as Universal Copy. You have to download this application called Universal Copy and then enable it. So when you go to Universal Copy app, you'll see such an interface. Initially it is deactivated. You have to activate it and also allow all the app permission that this app asks you to. And so now what you have to do is go to the part which you want to copy. For example, if I want to copy this caption from YouTube, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my notification bar. As you can see, here is a notification which is saying Universal Copy. So I have to click on this notification and then this screen gets captured by Universal Copy. And now what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to put your fingers on the part which you want to copy and then press and hold that part. As you can see, now this part has been copied to the Universal Copy interface. Now what you need to do is just tap on the copy option and this part gets copied, and now you can paste it anywhere. The same things goes for YouTube as well. If you want to copy a description from a video, what you need to do is go to the description and then tap on Universal Copy. The screen gets captured, and now what you need to do is just press and hold the part that you want to copy. See, this is how you can do it. You can also select the part which you want to copy, just like you do with normal text. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more such videos.